Anyways, we're just gonna, we got one of these little dress up boat kits for the TSX. We're gonna slap on here today. So, any like screw or bolt is probably gonna get replaced with this. So I'll probably put y'all up and start doing that pretty much. It's a little bit to sit there, but yeah. And I'm looking, y'all, it's not really much for me to do since I got these plastics on here. So I'm gonna probably pop these plastics off and maybe still trying to get plastics off. Under this shit. Yeah. The fender stuff is under the plastic, so I'm gonna probably just pop the plastics off and put them in. Might as well, right? That's a fender one. It's another fender bolt right there. That's another fender bolt. Yeah, we're probably just gonna take and replace all our fender bolts with these. So, shit. Set y'all off. I'll turn y'all off to get all these in. But yeah, y'all can see that we're up here. We got all the bolts out. We got this one in right here, but this is what they look like. So I'll put one in each of these fender bolts here. I did get the overspray. Well, not the overspray. I did take the that little black trim off. Didn't really need it, so. But I'm just gonna snug these down. Go back and tighten them, so you can see that's what they look like. Actually, it's a nice little breeze out here, so I'm trying to knock this out right now. We're gonna do this one up here. Okay, we got them three on now. We may just go ahead and take all these plastics out of here, so that way I can actually, see them. Let me see. Hold on. Under these plastics, nothing. Just a couple little tins under the plastic. We just pop the plastic off of there, to be honest. I don't really need or want the plastic. Not to be honest, it's probably just in the way anyways. Yeah, it's not coming out. There we go. Anyways, yeah, we got all that plastic off. Now we got some more tins to take out. All that plastic out of there. Yeah, be back to y'all when I'm taking out these other tins. As y'all pretty much see, we got a tin right here. All these fender ones. That was already loose. One right here. Another one right here. We want to put one in this. Well, let's not actually, but let me get that off. Grab that off. Grab that off. Let's set them up here. Let's find somewhere to set y'all. Well, a relatively good spot. Y'all see the Subi in the background? But yeah, that should be an alright spot for y'all. So, same thing as the other side, man. Just gonna take and put these in here like that. Literally same thing as the other side. We need 2 more sets of them, which are these. One set, another set. These just got dropped off today, man. So, those in there. Just gonna start them off. Okay, we're gonna come in with our Allen key. I noticed, guys, I used to use an impact on these, but impact would mess up the like screw so much and it would cause it to rust. So yeah, if you guys install these, maybe spray some WD-40 on after the installation is done, but other than that, it should be pretty much fine. If you're running a hood, I'm not running the hood at this time because mine. That's pretty much what we're doing now. because we're doing all the ones with the spark plugs. Well, the coil packs. So get that one, that one, that one. You're gonna get that one too, and all of them. So that's where to set y'all up at. Y'all know the drill. Get one of these things. Oh gosh, that engine is hot, bro. Probably gonna hope that it's hot as shit out here right now too. So y'all know the drill. Get one of these. Just drop it in the hole. They fit the coil packs perfectly too, which is nice. If you guys want, you can Loctite them. I'm not, because kind of overkill if you ask me. I want to get one more to test. Yeah. Hopefully the wrench will take it off. Yeah, there we go. With this last one, tighten that down. This one, yeah, that one's tightened down. That one's tightened down. Let's do this one. I really can't see this one, but actually, yeah. Now y'all can see if I switch to the wide angle lens. Yeah, I'm just gonna go and plunk up that one tight, this one tight, this one, and this one. Boom. Now, we got a chance to see what else we can do. Just stick this back on here. We got a good amount of stuff left, so we can do a good amount of stuff still. I don't know what else I want to do. Let's see. That's pretty much, here's the finished product. You can see you got them all right there, up and down the fender a little bit. Got them in my grill right here. Put them pretty much everywhere right here. This right here is probably gonna get blacked out or paint matched to the car pretty soon here. So I got one right there, all up there, and there, right there, right there. Yeah, got them in there too. I just need to clean all this off, but other than that, it's fine. Everything else is in.